Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Talkback feature on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select accessibility. And here we have screen reader. Let's tap on it. And to enable it, we need to tap the slider next to the voice assistant, like this. Then tap allow or double tap it.
Assistant on. Screen reader.
Now we can tap on something to select it, and the voice will read. Will read what's selected. For example, we can also select this.
Voice Assistant is on. Your tablet provides spoken feedback to help blind and low vision users. For example, it describes what you touch, select, and activate. If you turn Voice Assistant on by mistake, tap the switch until an outline appears around it, then double tap it to turn it off. Perform the same action for the OK button in the confirmation that appears.
So to use items, basically we need to select them first.
Navigate up button, not in list.
Then double tap them to activate them.
Accessibility, showing item 1 of 1.
We can scroll with this frame by swiping up and down, or left and right on the screen, like this.
Visibility enhancements, change size, contrast, and color to meet your needs.
To scroll through the menu, we need to use two fingers, like this. Now let's turn it off. To do it, select the screen reader, of course.
Screen reader, get spoken audio guidance and special controls that help you navigate without needing to see the screen.
To enter,
double tap to activate.
Double tap, like that.
Screen reader, showing items 1 to 5.
Now let's select the button right here.
Voice Assistant on, switch in list 5 items.
Double tap it.
On, turn off Voice Assistant.
Select turn off.
Turn off button.
And double tap it.
Turn off button. Double tap to act. Voice Assistant off.
To turn it off. And that's how you enable the Talkback feature on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.